Hello, we've been talking about lines lately and different types of lines and how to use lines to show emotion or different types of drawings. So in Schoology for this week, we have a little sketchbook assignment and it's called Lines Like. It looks something like this. So you have access to this worksheet. You do not have to print it. It's just for you to read different types of lines that you can use in your sketchbook. And so what I'd like you to do is go through these and pick 12 different lines like examples. And so what you're going to do in your sketchbook, make myself bigger here, is you're going to make thumbnail sketches or thumbnail boxes with a straight edge. So I might use my pencil box or a straight edge like this. And I'm going to be making boxes like these. And so you can use a straight edge to make these straight little box lines. And I actually have 8 on a page. So you could do 8 on a page or 6 on the other page, whatever you would like to do. And I'm going to pick my 12 lines like. So I started with clouds and jagged rocks. I'm going to grab, I used a pen to start with, but I'm also going to grab maybe a 2B pencil. It's a nice soft pencil, good for everything. And I could use both pen or pencil together if you want. And I'm going to pick another one here. Let's see. Maybe lines like falling snow. So maybe for this one, falling snow, I'm also going to label it falling snow. And with my pencil, I might try something new using the tip of my pencil. See how I have my hand on the back side of my pencil, way back here. Falling snow. Maybe if I want it to look like thicker snow falling, I'm going to use the side of my pencil to show different types and variation of line. Falling snow. It's a pretty wild snowstorm. So I'm going to fill my whole box with that type of line. So now you can see I have 3 started. Didn't take me that long. Lines like clouds, lines like jagged rocks, and falling snow. So pick 12 out of these examples and do that as your sketchbook assignment. The other thing I'd like to show you is your next little worksheet. It's called Symbolism Worksheet. In your Symbolism Worksheet, you have 5 symbols about you. So really think about this. What are 5 things that represent you and your personality? So it says a symbol is an image used to represent something. So think about what you like to do, what you maybe do with your friends outside of school. I know we're not in school, but sports you play, your hobbies. Something that I would use as a symbol would be a paintbrush or a pencil would be one of my symbols. And same thing in your sketchbook. So this can be a separate piece. I want you to think about using your whole page and have it drawn out like this, just like the worksheet. So a symbol name, the image drawing goes here, and then the meaning to you, the meaning to me, since this is your sketchbook. So the meaning behind your symbol. And you can just jot down a couple words or a sentence for, about the meaning behind this symbol. So that's your homework. Get those 2 pages done, and we're going to be using them, if you look ahead, to work up your personal symbolism sketchbook page. This is technically supposed to be your cover, but we're going to be doing it as one of your first pages in your book after you've practiced your lines like your symbolism sheet, and then we're going to put it together for symbolism about you. And I'll talk about that more in our next class. So have fun, experiment with your lines, look at these 2 worksheets, and have fun drawing.